Millions of years ago, huge parts of Earth were covered in ice. Scientists called this time the Ice Age, and it changed life forever. The Ice Age lasted for a very long time. In fact, it included many cold periods, spread over millions of years. During the coldest times, giant ice sheets covered huge parts of the world. Some were more than a kilometer thick. So what caused the Ice Age? Scientists believe changes in Earth's orbit played an important role. Small changes in the way Earth moves around the Sun affected how much sunlight reached our planet. Changes in carbon dioxide and other gases also helped make Earth colder during certain periods. Slowly, glaciers expanded and frozen landscapes spread across much of the planet. But Earth wasn't empty. Amazing creatures lived during these freezing times. Woolly mammoths, giant deer, and saber-toothed cats roamed the Ice Age world. They were specially adapted to survive the cold, and humans were there too. Early people learned to survive in this icy world alongside giant animals. The woolly mammoth was one of the most famous Ice Age animals. Its thick fur and fat layer helped it stay warm. Mammoths mostly ate grass and plants. They spent much of their day searching for food across cold open lands. Mammoths were not alone. Many strange and amazing animals lived during the Ice Age. The saber-toothed cat was one of the top predators. Its long teeth made it one of the most feared hunters. Early humans also lived during the Ice Age. They learned to use simple tools to help them survive. Stone tools helped humans cut food, make clothing, and build useful things. These inventions made life easier. To stay warm, people wore clothing, made from animal skins. Staying protected from the cold was very important. People lived in caves and built shelters using wood, bones, and animal hides to protect themselves from freezing temperatures. Fire became one of humanity's greatest tools. It provided warmth, cooked food, and brought people together. Families and communities worked together to survive. Teamwork helped humans face the challenges of the Ice Age. People during the Ice Age did not only hunt animals, they also gathered berries, nuts, and plants to survive. Hunting required patience and teamwork. Early humans carefully followed animal tracks to find food. People also created art. They painted animals and scenes from daily life on cave walls. These paintings tell us what life was like long ago. They are some of the oldest forms of human storytelling. But the Earth did not stay frozen forever. Slowly, temperatures began to rise. As the climate changed, giant glaciers slowly started to melt. This process took thousands of years. The melting ice changed the shape of the world. Rivers, lakes, and coastlines began to look different. As the world became warmer, life became harder for woolly mammoths. Their icy habitats slowly disappeared. Many Ice Age animals eventually became extinct. Some disappeared because of climate change, and others may have been affected by human hunting. About 12,000 years ago, the last major Ice Age came to an end. A warmer world slowly appeared. As the Ice Age ended, plants and animals spread into new places. The world slowly became more familiar to us. People began settling down and farming. This change eventually led to villages and civilizations. Over thousands of years, human societies became larger and more advanced. The world continued to change. Even today, scientists discover bones and frozen remains from the Ice Age. These discoveries reveal amazing secrets. Fossils help scientists understand how mammoths and other animals once lived. Every discovery adds a piece to the puzzle. Scientists also study ice cores. These frozen layers contain clues about Earth's ancient atmosphere. By studying these clues, researchers can learn how temperatures changed over thousands of years. Modern glaciers still exist today. They help scientists understand how climate affects our planet. Learning about the Ice Age also teaches us how Earth's climate can change over time. The Ice Age may be over, but its story still helps us understand the world around us. Even today, some parts of the Earth remain frozen. These icy regions preserve amazing clues from the past. Scientists have even found baby mammoths preserved in ice. These discoveries help us learn about ancient animals. Researchers study ancient DNA to understand how Ice Age creatures lived and changed over time. But many questions still remain. Scientists are always searching for new answers. People around the world are fascinated by the Ice Age. Its strange animals and frozen landscapes spark our imagination. By studying the past, scientists can better understand the climate changes happening today. The story of the Ice Age reminds us that Earth has changed many times, and understanding those changes is important. From giant mammoths to modern humans, the Ice Age shaped the history of life on Earth. Although the mammoths are gone, their story lives on. Every fossil and discovery helps us remember a lost world. And that's what we know about the Ice Age. If you enjoyed this journey through the frozen past, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more amazing stories about our world.